Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install the Irresistible Me clip-in hair extensions into my sister's hair. Now, if you guys have been following my channel, you know that I just recently did another clip-in review for my hair, and it was like a afro textured hair. And this Irresistible Me hair is straight hair. So I will link the other video in the iCards above and in the description box below if you guys want to check that out. But for this video, I did use the Irresistible Me clip-ins for my sister hair because her hair is relaxed, and so it would be easy for me to blend this hair with her hair considering it's straight. So I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to just go ahead and clip in these extensions into her hair and blend it with relaxed hair. In the previous video when I did it with my hair, when I used the Irresistible Me clip-ins on my hair, I did not have any of my hair left out because my hair is afro textured and is not processed, and so I didn't want to have to flat iron my natural hair to blend in, to even try to blend it in with the Irresistible Me hair. So considering my sister's hair is relaxed and she was game, I was like, okay, cool, let's try this. So we're clipping in the hair extensions on her hair. And this is for all of my sisters out there who have relaxed hair. You guys can see how these clip-ins go in super easy and blend nicely with your hair. Now, my sister's hair color is a little bit different than mine. You can see that these clip-ins are like a chocolate brown, and my sister's hair is very black. And she has a few grays here or there, but you know, it's okay. It'll all still work out in the end. So yeah, let's just see, we're almost done already with the clip-ins. So this is going super fast, guys. Like literally it took me probably 10 minutes to put the clip-ins in her hair. So no time at all. And I did section out a portion in the front, so that will be her leave out to blend in with these clip-ins. So yeah, we're just about done putting those on. This is the last clip-in we will add, and I'm just getting this one pretty much as close to her hairline as possible. And now we will use my curling iron or my flat iron to flat iron her hair to blend in with these clip-ins. And guys, just disregard my husband there. I don't think he knew that I was filming when he walked by to get something to drink. But yeah, so I'm just gonna blend this all in. So in this video, I'm using my own styling tools, but I will have another video coming up very soon where I will feature Irresistible Me hairstyling tools. And guys, I wish that I had that flat iron when I was doing this style for my sister, but we'll talk about that in another video. So, but I just want to let you guys know that if you're interested in seeing this product line, then be sure to check back because I will be featuring their hair straightener, which is amazing. But for now, I'm just using what I have, and I'm trying to blend my sister's hair with this hair here. So I have the majority of her hair, the leave out flat iron, but I'm still working to smooth everything out. And I will say also that my sister had a lot of like oil on her hair, and so that's kind of working against the blending of her hair with this clip-ins as well, because her hair has a lot of oil on it basically. But you know, this wasn't really planned. This was something that we just decided to do while she was here. So she didn't know that I'd be wanting to clip in these into her hair. So she didn't wash her hair before we did this project. But yeah, I think it's still going to turn out really, really cute. So I'm using the curling irons there just to add some kind of spiral curls to the hair. And you guys can see that this hair curls really nicely. Well, you'll see that in a second. You may not be able to see the curls that much here, but it does curl really nicely. It looks very pretty. So I decided to add the other one clip here just to thicken up the hair right here. And guys, I should say I'm not a cosmetologist or a professional by any stretch of the imagination. I just like to do different creative things, and so yeah, so that's what we're just doing here. And I've done my sister's hair pretty much, you know, not all our lives, but for a very long time, because she's my sister. So so yeah, so I'm just still curling the hair. I'm gonna curl it all the way across, so it'll just be really cute. So she could be cute. So guys, you can see here how easy this hair curls. It doesn't take much for it to get a nice little wave to it. And of course, if you wanted to make the curls tighter, you totally could, but I just wanted to give it just a little body, especially in the back. I did more of like the spiral curls around the front, but in the back, I just want to have a soft, like light body curl to it. You guys can see how easily it's curling. This is going super fast. So if you guys are interested in this clip-in hair extensions, then be sure to check my description box down below. I will have the details for Irresistible Me along with a discount code if you're interested. And with them, they will take whatever, if the website is having a sale, if it's better than taking off the 20%, then you'll get whichever discount, you know, is best. So, but yeah, be sure to check out the description box below for details about that if you're interested in this hair. And you guys can see how pretty it looks on my sister's hair. And again, also you can check the video that when I clipped it into my hair, how it came out as well. But this looks so nice, guys. I think it's blending in very well. This will be a great like date look or professional look if you're going for a meeting. So I told my sister to kind of shake her hair a little bit, and so she did. And guys, it's about to get really funny here in just a minute because my sister is going to model this hair. But first, I'm just showing you guys how it looks. This is a very close-up look of the hair, and I think it looks really nice. There's no real big humps lumps or bumps in her hair. I think it looks very smooth and just really natural. Let me say, if you're new here, welcome. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for alerts as to when I upload new videos, especially if you like hair videos, home decor videos, lifestyle videos, cooking videos, cleaning videos, and much more. You can get it all right here at Kenya's Decor Corner. And for my faithful family members, you guys know I love, love, love you so very much. And I just want to say thank you for all of your support. And I won't be saying goodbye at the end because I'm going to let you guys just watch my sister be a silly goose. But this video was so much fun. I hope that you guys enjoy it as well. And I look forward to seeing all of you on the next one. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye. Now keep watching. Here we go with the silly bloopers here. My sister is such a ham and she is too funny. You guys enjoy this video and I will see you on the next one. And also remember that I will have another video coming out very soon featuring the styling tools by Irresistible Me. Alrighty guys, thank you so much. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye. Under and then flip the hair out like that, yeah.